Welcome and welcome back to the Dawn Kitchen. Today, the Dan is back in the kitchen to show you a quick and easy recipe. It will be baked chicken with lemon and honey. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's dive into it. Okay, guys. Half onion. If it's a small onion, you can use one, but I'm using a very big onion, as you can see here. So it's half of the onion. Half teaspoon all-purpose. Half teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon Sazon powder. Half teaspoon Himalayan salt. If you're wondering why the color looks so, it's because I'm not using the sea salt. The Himalayan salt, it's from the mountain and it's more of a pink color. 4 to 5 tablespoons of honey. Lemon, 1.5 lemon. And this is a chicken. It's about 4 pounds of chicken, and I'm using the thigh. So the first thing you want to do, guys, you have to rinse the chicken. And we're gonna rinse the chicken now in cold water. You can use salt, you can use vinegar, you can use lime, lemon, whatever your choice to rinse it. And now that's cold, you need a cold water. And you put the salt in and you rinse. What I'm doing, I just combining all of the dry ingredients together, and you're gonna pour it on your chicken. And cut on your onion. You're gonna pour the onion on the chicken, followed by half of the lemon juice. This is the onion, 1, 2, and you're just gonna rub all that seasoning in the chicken. And you're gonna let this marinate for at least 2 hours. And it's always good if you marinate your chicken overnight, so the seasoning will soak right to the bone. So you're gonna cover and let it marinate. Also, my beautiful people, I will be using some dill. So I will show you what I'm gonna do with the dill. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. It is now 2 hours now since the chicken is marinating. So beautiful it's looking, guys. So now you're just gonna place them on your baking. You're just gonna place it on the baking tin. You don't need have to add any oil to this. You're gonna put the skin up like this. The skin, you turn the skin part up. You don't need to add any oil because the chicken itself will be producing its own juices. We're gonna bake in the oven for 1 hour. But for the first half an hour, we're just gonna put the file paper over. Just gonna wrap with the file paper and we're gonna place this in the oven. We're placing it in the oven for half an hour, covered with the file paper, and then we'll move on to the next step at 350 degrees. I'm cutting on the tail as fine as possible. So we slicing the lemon as thin as you can. See, very thin. I will be placing the honey with a little chicken broth. Some more of the lemon juice, squeezing the rest in. I'm gonna put the lemon in and the dill. We're gonna add a little bit of brown into this, just a little tip, just to give it some color. I will be placing it on the fire, on the stove, just for 1 minute. Just for 1 minute for it to thicken. This is 1 minute, so we're gonna turn the fire off. And it's half an hour now since chicken thigh is in the oven, so it's time to check on it. Let us turn this fire off. Hey guys, looking at this, it is looking so beautiful. So you're gonna flip it over. We want to flip them over. We're gonna place back the chicken in the oven for half an hour more. Remember I told you it's gonna take 1 hour. And this time we're gonna leave it open. We're not gonna cover it. 380 degrees. We're gonna turn the heat up now. But you want it to glaze and all of that. So 380 degrees for half more hour. Oh, my timer is going off, guys. So guys, the baked chicken is now ready. Looking at it, guys, ain't it looking? It's done. So beautiful people. Look at this, guys. Ain't it looking delicious? And the same way how it is looking is the same way it tastes. Mouth-watering, delicious. Guys, please give it a try. You will enjoy it. So this is our lemon honey baked chicken. You can have it with anything you want. Guys, I love you. I love you. Thank you for watching. Peace.